Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by opening Bgmi and navigating directly to the Events or Shop tab. This saves time. Once there, locate the Themed Shop banner and tap to enter. You should immediately check your inventory for themed shop tokens and any currency needed. Knowing balances prevents surprises. Also verify the event duration and token-to-item exchange rates so you prioritize what to buy first. If you have limited tokens, decide which items are highest value before spending them, then move to the Redeem screen. Now you focus on picking items. Filter by rarity or token cost to spot high-value swaps. Tap an item to view the preview and stats so you know exactly what you're redeeming and why it's worth tokens. Once decided, press Redeem or Exchange and allow the client to process the transaction. This deducts tokens immediately. Make sure to watch your remaining token balance update on screen because that informs your next purchases. If an item requires extra currency, the UI will prompt you to top up before finalizing. Finish by claiming redeemed items. Check your mailbox and inventory right away so nothing is overlooked. Once done, equip or inspect items to confirm they function as expected. If a transaction fails or the shop stalls, first check your network and then reopen Bgmi to refresh token and item balances. This resolves most issues. If tokens were deducted but the item is missing, gather the purchase ID or screenshot and contact support. Provide exact timestamps and token counts so they can resolve it quickly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.